Quinoa and its great benefit. Second chapter. As my dear friends of YouTube are in this opportunity, we will talk about the wonderful quinoa. It has twice as much fiber as most other grains, relieving digestive problems such as constipation. Reduces the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Reduces cholesterol and glucose levels and helps you lose weight, keeping you satisfied longer and giving you energy for fewer calories. Relieves migraines and decreases blood pressure. Because it is rich in magnesium, it helps to relax blood vessels and relieves headache caused by migraine. Improves the transmission of nerve impulses, regulates body temperature, detoxifies the body and helps the formation of healthy teeth and bones. It gives you a lot of energy, because it contains rivoflavin, vitamin B2, improves the energy metabolism within the cells of the brain and muscles. It can be used in a variety of dishes from breakfast to dessert. Quinoa is considered by many a superfood, appreciated for its rich nutritional contribution. Due to its high protein value, it is an exceptional food for all types of people, especially those who follow vegan or vegetarian diets. How quinoa is prepared. Quinoa can be prepared in different ways, can be boiled, cooked, toast and even prepare as a popcorn, quinoa pop. In addition, it lends itself to accompany recipes of cooking of stews, pures and soups and as an accompaniment in second courses. Regardless of the recipe you plan to prepare, it is always necessary to extract the outer layer of the quinoa to avoid having a bitter taste. To get rid of them, we must wash the quinoa seeds and remove them in a bowl of water. Let them stand for 10 minutes and then strain. Once our quinoas are clean and without their bitter cover, we can proceed to cook them. For its preparation, add the quinoa to a pot with boiling water and let them cook on medium heat for 15 or 20 minutes. As simple as that. Recipes with quinoa. First recipe: burgers of quinoa. An excellent idea of hamburgers for an excellent nutrition, with totally natural ingredients and of vegetable origin. This preparation is very simple and the result is spectacular. You can use this hamburger to eat it in a delicious sandwich or eat it on the plate with some accompaniment of your own taste. For about 4 hamburgers. Ingredients: a quinoa mug, 2 tablespoons of red pepper, sweet pepper, chopped fine, medium fine chopped onion, half a cup of chickpea flour, preferably, or traditional flour, 2 tablespoons of grated carrot, vegetable oil, oregano, pepper, water, salt. Instructions. 1. We will begin this preparation of vegan recipes by taking the quinoa, placing it in a colander and passing it through cold water. This will release a white foam that we will have to remove completely. Wash at least 5 times, to remove all the foam that is toxic to our body. Once ready to maintain. 2. On the other hand, we will take the chopped onion, the chopped fine paprika and the carrot, to fry in a pan with vegetable oil. 3. Once this step is ready, we will go to the cooking of the quinoa. For this we cook it as rice is prepared in relation to cups of quinoa and water. We will also add the ingredients that were stir-fried and let them cook traditionally like rice. The result will be that the quinoa granites will grow a bit and take a more transparent color. Once the quinoa is ready, let cool to room temperature. For now that the quinoa is ready with the vegetables, we mix everything, stir well and start to put together the hamburgers. 5. We will mold and add some chickpea flour with water, very little water, to agglutinate and give the desired shape without disarming when frying. 6. Cook the quinoa burgers in boiling oil, grilled or let them cook in an oven. 7. Let cook until golden brown evenly throughout the hamburger. Serve with accompaniments to taste. Second recipe: quinoa salad with chard and goat cheese. Ingredients: a bunch of 450 grams of Swiss chard, extra virgin olive oil, a medium red onion, chopped, 3 garlic cloves, a cup of quinoa, a teaspoon of mustard, a cup of vegetable broth or water, 340 grams of mushrooms cut in half, 114 grams of goat cheese, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation: Step 1. Separate the leaves of the chard from the stem and chop the latter into small pieces. The leaves, reserve them for a later step. Step 2. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a saucepan. Add the onion, garlic and stems of chard and sauté for 5 minutes or until you notice that the vegetables are tender. Then, add the quinoa and mustard and stir for about 5 more minutes. Add the vegetable stock, stir and season with salt and pepper to taste. Bring to a boil, cover the pan and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the liquid is absorbed. Remove the pot from the heat and let it rest. Step 3. Add the remaining olive oil to a pan and let it heat over medium heat. Add the mushrooms and sauté, stirring for 10 minutes or until lightly browned. Step 4. Add the mushrooms and chard to the cooked quinoa and cook for 5 to 10 more minutes and finally crumble goat cheese just before serving. Third recipe, crunchy quinoa cake with almonds, rosemary, and Dijon. Ingredients: a cup of quinoa, half a cup of chopped almonds, 2 tablespoons chopped shallots or chives, a spoonful of chopped fresh rosemary, a spoonful of Dijon mustard, black pepper, extra virgin olive oil, lemon wedges to serve. Process. Step 1. In a medium saucepan, add 2 quarts of water and place the quinoa to cook. Let it cook until it boils and then regulate the heat so that the mixture has a soft bubbling. Cover the pan and let cook for 25 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. The moment the grains are tender and the liquid has a thick consistency, turn off the kitchen and transfer the quinoa to a bowl. Step 2. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Pour the almonds, shallots, rosemary, and mustard on the quinoa. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. Now that you have the dough formed, make 8 hamburgers with your hands. Step 3. Spread olive oil in a skillet over medium heat and when the oil is warm, place the cakes and let them cook for 4 minutes, during which time they are expected to be golden and crispy. Flip the cakes to cook them on the other side and wait 4 more minutes. And that's it, now you can enjoy your crispy quinoa cakes. Contraindications of quinoa. Quinoa is a safe food and there is no contraindication to its consumption. Well, my dear friends, I hope that this information will be very useful to improve your health. If you liked, do not stop giving it to me and subscribe to my channel, and as always I will ask you to support me by sharing my videos with your friends and family. I hope you have a beautiful day. I say goodbye, not without first thanking you and leaving my best wishes for all of you. Many blessings and until the next video.